Hey ladies, it's your girl Vonnie Lee, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been like 3 going on 4 years now that I've made any videos doing makeup, but I've been busy building my life, making sure that I'm where I want to be at, and now I have time to do YouTube. So today we're gonna do a makeup tutorial, and it's gonna be like for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna just show you guys all the products that I'm using. Most of these products are new. Haven't done makeup, like actual advanced makeup, in over 3 years. Anytime I've been going out, I've been doing like a simple look, natural glams and stuff like that. Nothing too serious, not really any eyeshadow, because eyeshadow takes work and time. And when you have children, that's a lot of time being taken up. Without further ado, I'm gonna get right into the video, and I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows. This time I'm actually gonna do my eyebrows on camera so you guys can see how I do it. Let me close this first. I'm using this LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. It's in the color Brunette. And I have this thing covering my head, but trying to lay that wig down. Fill in these eyebrows. And you guys will see that I'm looking up, but it's because I'm looking into the mirror that's right behind the camera.
Pull this hair back because this is going to be getting in my way.
So most of the time I start underneath the brow, and I just fix the lining underneath, and then just go all the way to the end. Do it, come down a little bit like a little arch. Have it like that so that I know where I'm coming down to. Filling it in from here. Next thing I'm gonna go in with is this LA Girl Pro Conceal. This concealer I'm gonna be using to conceal my face and to put underneath my eyebrows. And then I use foundation on top so that it blends pretty good. So with this, you just squeeze it some, using it like a brush or so. Hope this is good quality for you guys so you guys can see. I'm not that light-handed and I will mess up, so sometimes I just go fast and do that, but today I'm gonna try to get as close as possible. Okay, with this, you're supposed to wet it and squeeze it before you use it so that it's literally like a sponge and not just dry blending everything in. So I'm gonna wet this a little bit, blend better. I'm like all in the camera. Alright, so I'm just gonna close one eye, and then I'm gonna start with like the point part and come over here just so I don't mess anything up. And for this part, I'm gonna be looking in the mirror behind the phone so that I can just see and make sure that I'm getting everything how I want it, everything to my liking. Just follow how I did that line and bring it down. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other brow. Okay, so this is how it looks after. I blended into my eyelid. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this foundation. This foundation I got is medium tan number 5. This is by Elf. Okay. Oh, wow. I did not expect this, to be honest with you. I didn't expect it to be like this, like a lip gloss. And I'm just gonna dab some of it. Get like this much on the makeup brush. And then I'm gonna go on top of my eyebrows. I guess I'm trying to lay my wig down. I'm gonna go on top of the eyebrows. This color. Oh, you guys can't even see. A lot. So we're just gonna pull this down some. I promise you guys, I'm gonna get better and better and better. It's only up from here. Like, I'm only gonna keep evolving and evolving and evolving. So if you want to be here throughout this journey with me, then stick around. If not, then this is Morph palette. Oh, and by the way, I did my nails. I did that all by myself. Okay, just so you guys know. Morph palette is the first one we're gonna be going in with today. And this palette is like this. It comes with the names and stuff. FOTD. It's the only weird name out of all. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna be going in with this color. It's FOTD, whatever that's supposed to mean. I'm not sure. Got it on our brush, and we're gonna just start in the like above the crease, like this. And then we're just gonna keep going above the crease area, because this is the color that we want to flow above the crease, obviously. The Zulu by Juvia's, but this is the Juvia's Place palette. We're gonna go in with this pink in here. But yeah, if you didn't see that video, go watch that video. But I'll put the link to that video in the description box. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using this slanted brush, LA Girl Pro Concealer. Dab from that. Put the brush here and come down. So I'm gonna go in with this color Mellow. I know I should have cut my crease again after I redid my eyeshadow with the black and stuff, but I didn't really have time for that. And like I told you, when you have children, it's like, you just gotta work with what you got. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use this white. As you guys already know, the foundation I'm using today is e.l.f. color medium tan. And since this one is like a brush, a really huge brush, we're just gonna like
give some of these.
went with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just gonna conceal my face. So I'm gonna go from here, pull it down.
Here, go over like that, bring it out like that. That's normally what I do.
This is normally how I conceal my face. So the bronzer I'm gonna use today is this. That's behind the phone, but I can't see it through the camera. So to me, this color is kind of light. It's LA Girl Pro Powder. For me, we'll do Idea. It's pigmented, very pigmented. Some Moremi, which is the metal. So I just put the lashes on. I don't know why my hair keeps getting so puffy. I like it, honestly. And I'm just gonna do the bottom eyelashes of mine. Yeah, them bottom eyelashes hit. Finished makeup look.